Welcome back to the Salesforce Level Up channel. We'll talk about what DevOps is and why you need it for your Salesforce work. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's important for any mid to large Salesforce implementation, and that's DevOps. I'm sure you've heard of DevOps. At its core, DevOps is all about the process, how to build and move code across your different Salesforce org. It's about making sure that your environments are running smoothly, no matter how many changes are being. Why is this so important? Well, think about how quickly things can change in your org. You've got admins tweaking configurations, developers pushing out new solutions, business users modifying data. It's a lot to keep track. Without a solid DevOps system, you risk things getting out of sync. That's why having something in place is crucial. It ensures that all these pieces are kept in sync seamlessly. Usually a DevOps system has a version controls to track changes and a build and deployment server to automate how changes get moved to your different Salesforce org. Your Salesforce org is constantly one of the biggest benefits of DevOps is using a version control system. It gives you one single view of your org. This true view can then be applied across all of your Salesforce environments, keeping everything consistent. Why is having a single view so important? Because unexpected changes from power users or other users outside your tech team can happen. With a version control system in place, you can quickly track changes and help your team understand which changes need to be kept and which ones can be. Now let's talk about understanding the history of your changes. Imagine you build a solution for your HR department. This feature has a ton of changes, a few page layouts, custom fields that were added, maybe a flow or an Apex class. Once you roll it out, you train the staff to use it, and it's perfect. They love it, everybody's happy. Fast forward 6 months, and no one really remembers what components were specifically changed. Sound familiar? With a version control system, all those changes are tracked and documented, so you can easily go back and see what was done and the reason for it. It's like having a time machine for your org. Now, let's talk about getting more things done and faster. At the end of the day, your engineers want to deliver features as quickly and efficiently as you do. With a solid DevOps system, you can significantly increase the number of user stories you release. Because automation takes over much of the repetitive work that would otherwise slow your team down. Instead of manually managing deployments, the CI/CD process allows you to push changes through the pipelines quickly, reliably. This means more features, more fixes, and more enhancements get to your users faster without compromising on quality. So if your goal is to boost your team's productivity, deliver more value to your users in less time, a well-implemented DevOps system is a game changer for you. So those are a few reasons why a DevOps system would be good to integrate with Salesforce. If this video has been helpful, make sure you connect with me on LinkedIn. I'll be sharing more tips and insights as I put out new content on some of the lessons I've learned in implementing different CI/CD systems across many organizations. If you're looking to implement or enhance Salesforce DevOps for your organization, I offer professional services to help you get set up and optimized. Stay tuned for more videos where we dive deep into DevOps tools, best practices, and how to make the most out of your Salesforce environment. Until next time, this is Benson George. Keep leveling up. See you soon.